Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students, today discuss about word problems. Okay, see from your workbook, page number 22, 23, sorry. See here. Page number 23. See, once listen. A bakery buys 800 kg wheat every month. If the cost of the wheat per kg is equals to 65 rupees, what is the cost of the 800 kg wheat? See here the total weight of kg. See here the total weight of wheat, that is equals to 800 kg. Kg means kilogram. The cost of wheat per kg is equals to 65 rupees. Nana. What is the cost of 800 kg wheat? The cost of wheat for 800 kg, that is equals to 800 into rupees 65. Five zero zero 8 the 40. Now one space cut it. 600 6 8 the 48. 0 0 0 4 plus 8 12 2 taking 1 carry 1 plus 4 5. Therefore, the cost of wheat for 800 kilograms is equals to 52,000. Write down everybody. See here, next problem. A jumbo soap box contains 8 soaps. A jumbo soap box contains 8 soaps. A carton contains 8 such soap boxes. Calculate the total number of soaps in the carton. This is very easy beta. ఒక్కొక్క కార్టన్ లో 8 సోప్స్ పడుతున్నాయి. 40 cartons కి ఎన్ని? See here, number of soaps contains a carton or number of soaps in each carton. Each carton is equals to 80 soaps. Number of cartons. Number of cartons is equals to 40 beta. The total number of soaps The total number of soaps in the 40 cottons. That is equals to 80 into 40. Very easy this is. 80 into 40. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 8, 0. Once please cut it. 4 0, 0. 4 8 is 32. 0, 0, 2, 3. The total number of soaps. Therefore, is equals to 3200. Next, the cost of a shirt is 1255 rupees. Find the cost of 255 such shirts. You can do multiplication. See here, the cost of a shirt is equals to 1255. Number of shirts is equals to 255. The cost of 255 shirts is equals to 1255 into 255. See here, 1255 into 255. Next pie table. 1255 multiply with 5. So here 5 pies are 25. 5 taking right down under product of the ones column. Next carrying 2. Again 5 pies are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. In it 7 is taking right down under tens place of the product. Now here carrying 2. Next 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 2 is added to 10, you can get 12. 2 taking right down under let's place of the product. Now here carry 1. Next 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6. You can write next column, that is thousands column of the product. Now ones place cut it. You can multiply with 5. This 5 is in tens place. So you can start from tens place, save. Here 5, here 7, here 2, here 6. Now next you can cut it tens place. So you can multiply with the 2 because 2 is in hundreds place. You can start from hundreds place. Next 2 5s are 10. You need 0 taking right down under 7. Carrying 1 beta. Next 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 1 is added to 10. You can get 11. In it 1 is taking right down under 2. 1 is carrying. Next 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. You can write 5 under 6. Now next 2 1s are 2. Cut it right down here. See 5 7 plus 5 12. 2 taking 1 carrying. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 7 10. 0 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore, the cost of 255 shares is equals to 3,20,025 rupees there. Now next, 18 eggs are kept in a tray. 18 eggs are kept in a tray. 354 such trays are kept in a carton. So, how many trays are there? 354 trays. See here, how many eggs are there in 45 such cartons? Now here, number of eggs kept in a tray. That is 18 eggs. Number of trays. Number of trays. How many beta? That is equals to 354 trays. So number of eggs, number of eggs contains 354 trays. That is equals to 354 into 18. See here, 354 into 18. 354 multiply with 8 first. So 8 4s are 32. 2 is taking right down under one space of the product, carrying 3. 8 5s are 40 plus 3. 3 is added to 40, you can get 43. In it, 3 is taking right down under x space of the product, carrying 4 beta. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4. So 4 is added to 24, you can get 28. Total you can write here. Now one space cut it. See here, 1 is multiplied by every number, you can get the same number. 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. See here, 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. Number of eggs contains 354 trays is equals to 6,372. Now here, number of cartons. Number of cottons is equals to 45. So the total number of eggs eggs the total number of eggs the total number of eggs is equals to 6372 into 45. See here, 6372 into 45. 5 2s are 10, 0 taking, carrying 1. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36, 6 taking, carrying 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, you can get 18, 8 taking, carrying 1. Next, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1, 31, you can write total number. Now, ones place cut it. 4 2s are 8, 8 taking, write down under 6. Next, 4 7s are 28, unity 8 taking, carrying 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 taking, carrying 1 beta. Now next 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Add it 0, 6 plus 8, 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 7 taking, carrying 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 5, 8. Here. Therefore, the total number of eggs is equals to 2,86,740. See here, next one. The cost of a car is 18,46,245 rupees. A car showroom sells 8 such cars a day. How much amount does the showroom collect in a day? See here, the cost of a car. The cost of a car is equals to 18 lakh 46,245. Number of cars. Number of cars is equals to 8. The total amount collect in a day. The total amount collect in a day is equals to 18,46,245 into 8. See here, 18,46,245 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 0 taking right down under one place of the products. Now carrying 4. Next 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 6 taking right down under tens place of the products. 6 carrying what beta? 3. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 you can get 19. 9 taking right down under tens place of the products. Carrying 1. Next 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 1 you can get 49. 9 taking right down under thousand space of the products. Carrying 4. Next 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 36. You need 6 taking right down under thousand space of the products. Now next here carrying 3. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 3 you can get 67. 7 taking right down under backspace of the products. Carrying 6 beta. Now 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6 14. Write down total. That's it. See here, therefore, the total amounts collect in a day by car showroom is equals to 1 crore 47 lakh 69,960. Now next, a total of 36,900 books were to be distributed equally to 36 schools. How many books will each school get? See here, the total number of books given and also number of schools also given. You can find out how many books get in each school. See, you can take a division. Divided beta. See here, the total number of books. Is equals to 36,900. Number of schools. Number of schools, that is equals to 36. Number of books. number of books will get each school is equals to 36,900 divided by 36. See here, 36 is taking as division, 36,900 taking as divided. So we have to take two places from left to right, that is 36. See here, 36 ones are 36. 36 minus 36, it will get 0. Bring down 9. 9 is less than 36. Again, bring down 0 to remainder. So 90. So at a time, two numbers bring down to the remainder. You can write 0 in the quotient. So here 36 twos are 2 6 are 12. Carrying 1 2 3 are 6 6 plus 1 7. 36 3s are 3 6 are 18, carrying 1 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 36 3s are 108 is greater than or more than 90. So I have to take 36 to the 72. See here, 10 minus 2 8. Here cut it. 8 minus 7 1. Again bring down 0. See here, very disposable. I think 36 5s are 5 6 are 30, carrying 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 80, 180. So 36 5s are 180. So number of books will get each school, or here number of books got by each school is equals to 1025 books. Now next, a factory manufactures floor tiles. If 25,920 tiles are packed in daily in 324 boxes, how many tiles are packed in each box? This is also very easy beta. The total number of floor tiles. The total number of floor tiles is equals to 25,920. Number of boxes. Number of boxes is equals to 324. Number of tiles are packed in each box is equals to 25,920 divided by 324. See here, 324 taking as divisor 25 lakh, sorry 25,920 taking as dividend. See how many digits we have to take beta. If you take 3 digits from left to right, that is 259. 259 is less than 324. So I have to take 4 digits from left to right. That is 2592. It is possible. See, I think 6 or 7. See here. 6 4 the 24. 4 taking carrying 2. 6 2 the 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 4 taking carrying 1. 6. 3 the 18. 18 plus 1 19. Next 324 into 7. 7 4 the 28. 8 taking 2 carrying. 7 2 the 14. 14 plus 2. 16 carrying 1. 7 3 the 21. 21 plus 1. 22. See here 2268. Next 324 into 8. 8 4 the 32. 2 taking carrying 3. 8 2 the 16. 16 plus 3. 19. 9 taking carrying 1. 8 3 the 24 plus 1 25. Yeah, we got. See 324 8 the 2592. So you can get what is difference 0. So now bring down 0. So 324 0 is 0. So you can write here. So number of tiles are packed in each box is equals to 88. See here, if 49,920 bags of rice have to be stored equally in 64 godans. How many bags are there, Vera? 49,920 rice bags are stored in 64 godans. How many bags must be stored in each godan? This is very easy. So we have to take a division. Here number of rice bags. Is equals to 49,920. Number of godans. Is equals to 64. See here. Number of rice bags stored in each godan. is equals to 49,920 divided by 64. 64 taking as division, 49,920 taking as divided. Now here we have to take from left to right side 3 digits. If you take 2 digits, that is 49, 49 is less than 64. So I have to take 3 digits, that is 499. See here, 64 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 128. 64 3s are 3 4s are 12, 2 taking 1 carry, 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19, 119. Next 64 4s are 4 4s are 16, 6 taking carrying 1, 4 6s are 24 plus 1 25. Next 64 5s are 5 4s are 20, 0 taking carrying 2, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32, 320. 64 6 are 6 4s are 24, 4 taking carrying 2, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. Next 64 7s are 7 4s are 28, 8 taking carrying 2, 7 4s are 28, 8 taking carrying 2, 7 6 are 42 plus 2 44, 448. Next 64 8s are 8 4s are 32, 2 taking carrying 3, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3 51. See here, 64 8s are 512 is more than 499. So I have to take 64 7s are 448. 64 7s are 448. See 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 4 5, 4 minus 4 0, bring down to. See here 512. Listen, 64 8s are 512. 64 8s are 512. 512 minus 512, 0. Now bring down 0. 64 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Therefore, number of rice bags are stored in each godown is equals to 780. Now next page number 25, write the following Roman numerals in numerical form. See here, write the following Roman numerals in numerical form. See here, first one M C M X L V I beta. See here, that is equals to M. M means 1000. M means 1000 plus CM means C means 100, M means 1000. See here, the smaller value is left side of the bigger value, then you can subtract the other value. See here, 1000 minus 100, you can get 900. Plus XL means 40. Plus VII means 7. That is equals to 1947. 1947. Now next, DCC LXX VI. This is very easy. D means 500. Plus CC. CC means 100 plus 100. 200. 200. Plus L. 50. Plus XX. 20. Plus VI. 6. Right. 500 plus 200, 700, 700 plus 50, 750 plus 20 plus 6. 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 776. Now next, MCD XCVI. See here, beta, listen carefully. M means 1000. CD. CD means 100 is subtracted from 500, you can get 400. Plus XC. XC means 90. See, 10 is subtracted from 100, you can get 90. Plus VI means 6. 1496. Now next, CC XCIX. CC 100 plus 100, 200 plus XC 90 plus IX 9. That is equals to 299. Next, CLXXIX. C means 100 plus L means 50. XXX. 3x means 10 plus 10 plus 10. You can get 30 plus IX 9. See here, 150 plus 30, 180 plus 9, 189. Now next, see here, last one beta, CL MD MD MDC XXIV. See here, M is equals to 1000, D means 500, plus C means 100, plus XX means 20, plus IV means 4. See, 1000 plus 500 plus 100. 1500 plus 1600. 1600 plus 20 plus 4. So 1624. Okay, thank you everybody. Remaining problems you can do it.